Boxes come in all shapes and sizes. Shoe boxes, juice boxes, cereal boxes. They're everywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about how boxes are designed? Well, it can be very interesting and surprisingly complex. Package designers can't just draw a diagram and voila, a box is born. There are many factors they must first consider when making even the simplest of boxes. They must think about type of material, cost, post-use recycling, shipping and distribution, and design appeal. Then engineers begin drawing patterns or nets that can be folded to form packages. A net is a two-dimensional pattern that can be folded to form a three-dimensional figure. These nets help determine the amount of material needed to construct the packages. How these two-dimensional nets are used to create three-dimensional objects is an important first step in understanding packaging design. Without nets to help guide you, you could wind up with a box like this. What else might a packaging engineer consider when designing a package?